Welcome to another episode of El Maestro Speaks podcast.
You find any inspiration in this we have done, and you have done your noble part.
Thank you, Lord. You have read it in my message.
But it's okay if people would like to know experiences. Yeah, it's a learning ko, what they're sharing.
Yeah. So perhaps, ma'am, we can start with your experiences when you were young. So, saan ho tayo lumaki?
I was born in La Trinidad,
La Trinidad
Pico,
talaga.
actually. I'm 80 years old now.
Yeah, wow.
Okay? So, my father's from Mangkayan, my mother's from Carao, Bukod, and Kapangan. And my father Gamit was in the PCD. He was an
PC.
officer, the Philippine Constabulary before it became PNP. Ganyan niya. So, he was assigned here in Camp Dangwa before. So, he established a residence dito yun. Ito'y Camp Home CD. Now, it's now Camp Dangwa, but we're outside of the camp. So, nagigyan kami to. But before that, I was born in Pico.
Pico.
Pico, that was 1944. That was Japanese.
During
the war. Yeah, the Japanese war. And then I was born. Then the Japanese captured my father.
So your father was one of
Kuyupan. My middle name is Kuyupan.
Yeah.
So, but he passed away. Hindi ko naging head ti ko di ay nagandan ROTC St. Louis noon, no? Ganun. So that's my background. I grew up here in La Trinidad, studied training department school ti MAP, Mountain Agricultural College, no?
BSU right now.
Itatakot BSU. So I grew up here, and we established friends, ganun. So and actually, I'm a nurse by profession.
Oh,
Yeah. My educational background ko nurse by profession. Then I got married to a businessman. So before I went to politics, I learned the ropes in the business.
Oh, yeah.
The family corporation of my husband. So di gasolinaan nga, di. So then to the gasoline business. So I learned the ropes. I was not happy, but I'm not a business-minded person, So, something happened. Gamin nga, kahit ko actually as a nurse, but then something happened, no? Di ko maybe it's God's plan. Because I wanted to apply the old Benguet General Hospital as a nurse, no? And then, apang ko kumapasukat ti status ko because kuyupan na pala di. Since kahit mag-apply as a nurse sa Benguet General Hospital, the old one. So, pang Manila, but something happened actually. Ang dangay that day, kaduandak ni ading ko to go to Manila. Magaputo ito we were residing here in Dipailan. And then, and my late mother, no? So that day, agigyan kami nga Volkswagen shop. You remember that? Or don't? Na-establish nga yung Volkswagen shop. So we were staying there. Kilometer. Giant T Save More.
Yeah, one Save More.
Giant, no? So I was waiting for them. And then, nabayagda nalada daw ay. And then napangkabi before we went to the Dangwa Basili very napigsa diya nga business edit, no? And then we napangkapi market gumatang vegetables because Manila ada pagdagdagasan mi ngay ni Mr. Pincos Roy Pincos Roy.
Pasalubong sa
Yeah, the old Pincos late na tayo dapat pimanan. He was the secretary of sino diya nga official. I think it was sino diya. I forgot no sino diya congressman Nakala isukat secretary. Like nga congressman. So, napakayay dangwa, trangko, ada ti maysa nga bus nga may sala ti kwa,
Mm.
ti bakante. Kat we're supposed to ride there, tako na ni ading ko, anyway no, ada ti bakantin to, ada tugaw kung to, kunan my mother, kunan haan you take the next bus,
Next bus.
kunan jay. So, nakuha kami dyan next bus. Now, di paglugaran mi kuman, napanan.
Mhm.
No? So, paspas nga rin di dangwa bus din niya.
Yeah.
So, maybe after 30 minutes ba, or si marunong kami.
Oh.
Okay. Ija ngay Camp 7, bumaba kami. Ada nga di tour of Luzon, idi. You don't know that.
Yeah, yeah.
Cycling nga idi.
Oh, yeah.
So, sa tour of Luzon, dikot ada nga di escort na nga pulis, dikot kuna nakat, ada tinatin nagbas, ijay. Kuna da ijay. Nakinita kami kini adwin ko, sumgar tidot-dot ko pa yan, no? Because we were
You're
supposed to ride there, no? So when we passed by the ayan the accident, you remember the jay nag-erode jay mountain jay other side of the river niya.
Yeah.
And then where the grading na the jay road cut steep nga, na kurba nakas
Oo,
jay.
yeah.
So kung kini ading ko, sige man, will stop na kinantay mo na niya, maitulong ko na. Nagsadang diya bus, then kinita mo yung nakita ko diya bus nga yung naipit by two big boulders. So hanggang nagdiretso ujik
Ay.
lang, hanggang nagdiretso ujik karayan.
Oo.
No? So kung nakbing, kinanta mo niya maitulong ta. So adaman ti kadwami nga kalang medical student sa pasjay. So di magas kami, pimana mo diya basan Yeah. And then alalusus kami, sila di jay, di ko nagnakam ya karayan, yan inuli mi, di ko.
Yan, di bus.
So, ada di jay na ganan, pagulyan mi nga flat, jay side of the mountain niya. Kat pagkalayat mi, kat ada nga tinakita nga tao, nga tremble nga inya. Di ko alak ti pulse, kumaramdaman kat kasi natay. Oh. Then kita ket ko ngay ni adumuton dagi ada nga ti naka-iidda jay nga natay dan because 2017 natay hindi
Oh.
Then ada ti naikable ijay wall ay naka kun nga they were the fractured da kunak ni adi ko bing kita ka man ti ko tapno splint kung kunak jay being a nurse nga
Yeah.
So then adapay di ubing nga natay nga inikat ko di jacket ko and then placed it over the body of the child. But ada nga iti ko gamin nakita nga kalang white nga tao nga naka-white. Tas jay hako nga napanpansin ko na yung nakita
parang
basta
sa
ada
nandun sa
nakita
peripheral vision ninyo.
a figure nga naka-white. So di jay napang kinita di jay na ganan niya. Di ay naipit nga bus. Kat naipit nga talaga kat di bus idi kat kayo nga di ko pagtugaw.
Jay tugawan niya.
Yeah. Jay. So
some
jay
pictures.
kalada nga na accordion nga na i-crash iso nga adu nga ti the type no.
Yeah.
So di jay nag-first aid kami na may idi ko agad adamot nga ti tatao jay on the road.
Yeah.
Nakita ni uncle ko nga Wallace was working with the damn one no. Dan apay ada jay kuna nga kunyak idi dal jay kwakot ni apay kuna apay ada jay kana ka kisay kana. So kuna ako was crane kuna ata how can you carry you after some hours niya ada ti may nga team I don't know from Baguio General Hospital or ada ti team nga si Mangput ang medical team no. Kas jay and then sinublat dan. So we were there at the naganan mountain wall oran mi buy-buyan mi jay ikaskastadan. And then hours pa dan ada ti may mateng helicopter. Nga di nga ag-rescue.
Oh, yeah.
Because that was during the Vietnam War idi madama ti war kat iji Camp Wallace nga nagapuan da Air Force naka-station So ada nga ti helicopter nga ag-rescue. Dagidahan may nga maikwan
Oo.
Dagida wounded, gagajay, no?
Tarigat nga ingat.
So, Mga 10 plus, past 10 di eh. Nga kwan nga nagrugi nga
10 in
nagrugi
the
jay.
morning.
Then we were watching, so we were amazed mo tanan how they rescue kakajay, no? American kwamat helicopter tagay da. So, oh, to make the story short, nalpas the rescue operation mga about balimon eh.
Oh.
Siguro almost 6 eh.
Yeah,
Almost 6.
so you stayed there for the whole
Yan.
day, yeah.
So di ay up to 6 kasi and diyan kami natuloy yun
Manila.
diyan Manila. Since that time, hanak ko nga natuloy yun to change my
Your family name.
status.
Yeah.
Ako ituloy yun, i-pursue to work as a nurse. So di jay, and then diyan nga pag first election, pre-election Marcos ini 1980.
Right after
Well,
no,
1980
under
the
Marcos
first
pa rin.
election diyan din, no? Marcos time diyan.
Marcos.
So, we had a party dito eh.
Mm.
Kat ada nga itikas lang nga inya diyan convention. It was a convention of the KBLED.
Kilusang Bagong Lipunan.
When idi Marcos ko na
Yeah.
di ada je party dito ko na je kapsat ko di po. Uy, ada convention. Iba tayo ni Manang Edna tayo so tinalangan sa una kung wala na siya. So anyway, di mo well, I took it as I kwan so na kinarwak ni mama kay iso nga adu tem amunan, no? Adu tem amunan. So we only approach maybe talo nga barangay captain, no? Na kinaso ni mama, which we didn't have time really to naganan. So di convention period time, adak ijay munisipyo na muna apay ada ka to agtaraya ka ko kung kuna mo. I will
How old are you during the time, ma'am?
I was mga 30 something
30s,
or
yeah.
or 31 kasi because naganakak kinicham my only boy itikwan. I was 1980, I was 32.
32.
So di jay ay nagitarayak nangabak akmat ijay ko nangabak ang wadya convention under KBL, no? Kas jay.
A position.
And then I remember ni former Mayor Pawid, legislator tan. Isu na nga ko sa baling partido, no? Kas jay. So nangabak ti KBL, no? Jay, ta nationalist ta party da idi eh. I remember. So di jay nagkwa kay I was number 5 ba the convention. Tako akat taraya ko lang mo ti giant na. So and then my mother, my parents niya amudamot na ganan. Veteran mo ti my late father and my mother kat mahilig namat idi nga isuda ka baban idi dagiti politicians, the old politicians dagiti kusalam dagiti old dangwa idi so isuda amin so the jay and then campaign period came. I won as number 1 councilor. Well, that started my political career.
There was no like serious thinking of it, like talagang
Kalalang na ganan. I didn't really intend to go into politics. Kamdi lang nagnilo ko na katapanak ko. The election time man nagtaray ni Pawid. Oo, kadya niya. Nagtaray ni Pawid. So di niya timulong mo lang ni Pawid kanya ta compatriot mo di Pawid. I was under the Baban slate, no? Nagtaray nga mayor nga ni General Baban. So, di jay, I became number 1 councilor, no? Jay,
so you were an
I was a
official.
councilor 80 up to 87.
Kailan natapos yung martial law, ma'am?
We were before the 1972 was declared martial law. I was
still under the martial law din?
under martial law di. Ngam 1980 nga rod was the free election already. So di jay. So I experienced martial law.
So what is your since
Ngam hanak mo't nga politiko idi.
Yeah.
But
But as a common citizen, ma'am, what
Mm.
is what's your opinion? Or parang yung personal experience nyo lang about during the implementation of martial law.
well, kanya kat na during the martial law, adong ti development.
Mm.
It's a peace and order.
Yeah.
Timal na, no? Adamo ti development. Takas jay, people were disciplined. Iso nga, yung ibagbaga nga, yung oldies nga, katan,
Mm.
the
Yeah.
experience na, di kat, ay, mas maganda naman kasi ganito.
I have teachers saying that.
Oh, kung kuna na siya at ti kwata, peace and order,
Yes.
awan ti magulo, kakas jay. So, very strong kami lagi the leftist community. So, lagi na mo kalaban ni Marcos politically.
When the history was
Ninoy
written,
Aquino, dagitada. So, and then the nga rod, ano dagay da criticism da kini Marcos, so nga nag-revolt da.
so when the history,
That was 1986, the
yes,
revolution
ma'am.
eh.
Do you think the history was a little bit politicized? The history about them was a little bit politicized, or
Well, nagado nga rod mat ay, ngam itatangkot rumormot
Yeah,
nga inya ti
but still
story.
they're being
But it's still
branded
pa
as
lang nga ada
yeah.
dagitada. They were ill-gotten wealth.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. And then hampay nabayadan dagita victims kung kuna da di
Yeah.
martial law. So there were ano dagita stories, but kanya kat we felt during the time nga there was peace kanya
Mm-mm.
kadagida mo lumablaban kat talaga nga those yeah, you know, the minister
Yeah, they really want to change the government system.
dagito the leftist group
Yes, yes.
jay. So rumor itata nga inya ti naganan what's the truth o kanang ano pa lang ti ag-believe nga di
Yeah,
at
maybe there are.
oo. So ano dagida, but then kanya nga da kami di citizen
Mm-mm.
nga bakit nakita mi mo tinagsyatan niya
Yeah, yes,
ano mo
yes.
tayo na improve and everything.
Especially in
Well, corruption, bagbagada, ay ang ganay tatamo dapat corruption.
hindi nawawala sa government system, ma'am. I want to go back in your elementary
Mm.
days, ma'am. Sino tikas lang nga pinaka-memorable nga teacher you idi? And the memorable learnings that you have in your elementary.
Idi because idi elementary kami talaga nga diyan I graduated as salutatorian. The training department nga BSU.
Yes,
Itatan niya, so
Yeah.
training department. And then naging ilang elementary school.
Mm.
That. So we were the last, I think I graduate training department. So I enjoyed my elementary grades, I started as brownies, yan Girl Scout.
Girl Scout, yeah. Parang
So I
Cub
was
Scout
very
sa Boy
active there.
Scout,
I
yeah.
started as a brownie and then naging senior Girl Scout ako din, no? So, dagito, and the Balili River, for example, that was our playground, bimot ang ngayon, mga dati fishes ni Jay,
Yeah.
nalinis, ano ti
Nalinis.
watercress, dagita na, apang kami agay-ayam, ijay na ganan, river, Balili River, but nag-change nga ti course kami di kanayan,
I
ano ti
see.
reclamation and everything, so naging polluted na that time.
Polluted na.
So, but I did something for the Balili River, no,
Oh,
when
yeah.
I was mayor.
Yes.
So, I enjoyed very much my elementary. And then, nakangaragod, agsasabat kami di contemporaries kumuta.
Yeah.
Itatan nga, senior citizen
Senior
kami.
citizen, yeah.
Adampi man dagida who passed away already. Dagita na ganan. But I enjoyed Latin ini because basiti tao.
Yeah.
Everybody knows everybody.
Everybody knows
Talaga jay. So nga, dagida, mutantes mo at during the pre-war, ada kami matijay Pico.
So you can really talk to them
Yes,
one-on-one.
I can really, sino tinaganan, sino ko arubam. It was dati garden seed guy,
Yeah.
So, nagmayat, the officials were very much respected. You see, they were very much respected sa bali with the structure din niya. But they were people who were really naganan with wisdom kan respectable nga tattao da values, for example. Sino pa dagida naabos yung nagsaserve, dagida even from the lowlands, the Lego, who had been also officials. So DJ our environment hindi conducive to Digay awan mo ti laptop, awan mo
Yeah.
ti TV idi, awan iti kuan, na ganan. Ti papapanan mi kami agpikpiknik, very wholesome.
Yeah.
Aya forest amin daytoy di. So apang kami nga agpikpiknik ijay, amom ag-slide kami pay ngay niya.
Mhm.
Nagaramid kami mo ti slide board mi
Yeah.
Trukat dagiti pine needles, so ti iwarwaras mi ijay agi-slide kami mo't ijay agpipiknik kami.
Yeah.
Adamot dagiti older than us nga isulda nga iti manglilid kami. And high school kami kat we even were the first to organize iti Camp Dama youth organization headed by ni Marcelo Avila.
Mhm.
Presently, I think I was the secretary idi And ito balay ito idi the Visayas niya. Okay, we had that organization kat tsakat mahilig ang basbasa. Books. Like Nancy Drew and everything. Nag-establish kami the library mi. Ito karo ba mi ni Auntie Isabel idi because everybody knows everybody.
That was
Sa Manila.
during your high school days.
Yeah, that was high school
Like you were.
elementary akot yan. I was reading ti dagiti the books ni Nancy Drew,
Nancy Drew.
dagiti no. So I accumulated books nga in-donate ko nga kasla kanya para library mi.
So you experienced that.
Ay, the environment apang kami ngay, farm.
Yeah.
Dagida ngay carrots.
Carrots.
Dagat apang kami ngay kakao farm.
Yeah, gue na lang
Nangankanan
patutuling
mi,
ng alalo
uri
ng
ti
diretso.
kamuti
Yes, yes.
uri no rumay nga kamuti
Yeah,
kat
raw.
kankanan
Yeah.
mi idi.
Mm-mm.
Kat nagmayat nga, we enjoyed. And then everybody, very friendly, ti tattao idi. Di yan nga ron, because people had ada pala yung cultural values. Like,
Yes, yeah.
ada di inayan,
Inayan.
ada idi. Di ti makwak They were strict, kakajay nga niya. And then talagang napigsa di cultural values tayo man idi.
That the
Yes,
children
sure.
will obey, really obey
They
the
obey,
parents
oo.
without questioning.
And then awan idi mo ti kwa, anti-violence against women and children. Hindi, isang mababawat kami mo
Yeah.
sleepers.
I'll be asking you
But
about your views later on about that
and
one.
it
Yeah.
was very, very enjoyable. That's why nga ron kung nagpagito na anak ko, ay apo tayo ada ti cellphone dan niya nga. Ada di nakatutok ko niya, ba't na
Yeah.
kami hindi kat ada yung portable nga, the phonograph.
Yeah.
All that nga, we have
45.
the small, na ganan,
Plaka.
the big one, kakajay. So, you know what, I still have a collection of all of those, no?
Oh, mahal na yan.
Ijay nga to pa, kada pa niya phonograph, and then
Does it still work?
Ada dyan nga to, but mi nga ususa rin ada lang
Yeah.
ijay nga to.
Yeah. What
So,
made you, mom, decide to choose nursing as a career? Was that, did you know someone, a nurse? Or?
No, ano mo tikat kung aramidan di ay mahilig yak idigam ti sketching ay no. Ay so kapanak ijay fine arts or kakasang idi or architecture wala. And then ada pa ijay ko nang kapanak ijay ngay ko idi ada dagito the women auxiliary corps iya wax kada ijay. Kahit ko pa apan ijay manan. So ijay then dito nursing idikat na very inaganay adungay ti apanjay they go abroad dagay jay idi ada dagita day niya di nga
Until now.
so until now so garod apanday even doctors could go taking up nursing just to go abroad. So di jay I took my nursing in St. Luke's Hospital School.
St. Luke's in Manila.
Trinity tatay dyan Quezon City.
I see.
So nagmayat I enjoyed my
What is the experience, ma'am, of an Igorot going to the city of
ati ko
Manila?
na, they were, iba kami nga, igurot kami. Ikay ba igurot? Ikaw ba, kasi sa balit, kunada sa dadayi ipos tayo.
Misconceptions.
Maybe just like the 8th, but then, I am an igorot. Yeah. And I took advantage of the educational benefit ni father ko nga, idi. Ita military nga ron, so di jay. Kat ma-experience na kat kwamot we are not rich mat sa family. ED. And I took advantage of the educational benefit ni
Oh, yeah.
Papak.
Mm.
And then, so I enrolled in J Kwan. I took some of my subjects in liberal arts ito Baguio Tech ED.
Baguio Tech.
But then aga-ala damot iti kwan, sino ti ken nursing,
Mhm.
so but tinapanakay muna is the Mary ay kwan. I wanted to go to the Mary Johnston Hospital.
Johnston.
So iti school gamin nga ija kadya Philippine Christian College idi.
Mm.
So I took my pre-nursing ija,
Mm.
Philippine Christian
Okay.
College. So I stayed in a dorm. I experienced mo iti dorm life, and it's a Christian school. So that's how I learned. Also, it strengthened my spiritual na ganan aspect of life.
Yeah.
Because every morning we go to the chapel,
Ah,
read the scriptures of the
scriptures.
Bible,
Yeah.
memorize kami, the subject being the Bible, no?
Mm.
First semester kat the Old Testament.
Oh,
Second semester kat
New
the New
Testament.
Testament.
Yeah.
So the historical aspect na dagitada. So I enjoyed my life there because most di ko Methodist,
Mm.
UCCP, naglalaok ngay.
Naglaok.
Nagitada, Baptist, kakasjay. So dagid ng classmates ko, they were so devoted, katingin.
Mm.
So I learned also it strengthened ta ore man idi ubing kami kat iji Epiphany kami idi.
Yeah.
Apan.
Oh, so matagal na pala
Oh, and every Friday ka dati square dancing.
Oh, yeah.
And then adamat day to the Bible ko idi ngay. Teachers ija napapang kami
Studies.
iji Epiphany idi, the whole Epiphany. So that's how it strengthened also my learnings about God, about Jesus, kakadyan, no? So no? It strengthened as I grew, no? And the kami mga family mo katuwa not rich, so if my aunties, we lived here, no? Actually, we occupied the whole, yung idi kwamatan kat, siyempre nagsisina kami matan, kaya asawa kami. So it was, tinagigan ito kat, before this nga na-renovate, kagayang kakanakan mi with the families. But then they have their own kwan because nag-divide kami matan da ito
Oh,
lote.
yeah. Ah,
Nga among my siblings. Jay. So, you know what? It was I enjoyed my childhood,
Mm.
high school days,
High school
bagitada.
days.
Ta kami kada swani di kag idi, jay, Baguio Tech, hindi, ano bagitada. Nga gagayang mga until na, adada pala,
Dada pala.
nagsasawat kami kat senior citizen kami. Ganun.
Back
So,
those days.
I enjoyed actually my growing up when
Yeah.
I was
How many years are you na naging counselor?
Jay.
Naging counselor sa La Trinidad? Are you the
80 to
80 to
80 to 87.
87?
Oh.
Wow, 6 years.
Well,
Oh. So are
so
you the first
88, I
woman
ran
counselor?
as mayor. Ta naging councilor at the 80 up to 80,
Mhm.
86 sa diya because adati ko idi Nagkwagayam before 1988. Then 1987 nga nag-take over muna.
Mm.
Nga kwan acting mayor, something like that.
Parang appointed
Transition.
appointed from the
Well,
national
transition yeah. So I sat down in the 1988. No?
88. What made you decide to run as a mayor?
Nga when I won the siyempre di councilor namamuandak mo tan
Mm.
di nagtarayak. We were 7
Wow.
Puro lalaki. The
Yeah.
James Malayan,
Yes.
teka,
Oh,
the
see.
Victor Lauyan,
Hey.
ni Naganan, ni Chamos.
Mm.
We were 7. I was the only woman candidate,
Yeah.
nag-run for
One
mayor.
question that
Because why did I run for when I was councilor gamin, adun nakita
Okay.
the crime rate,
Okay.
or the police nga the office da idikat ijay main building.
Mhm.
The main building di baba. So adto nakikita nga inom da dayta ado da gida kinamat ya kalsada.
During working
The
hours?
peace and order was terrible. Terrible. And then adumot ating adumot I stood by my principles.
Yeah.
So, ang kami kinita kini Mayor Idi
Mm.
and some of the councilors
Councilors,
Idi. So, adadagi split mo kanya-kanyang because
Are you the
mat
only woman councilor during the time?
adadagi dangay dakwangay dagakad Idi da
Ah,
Mrs. Gakad.
okay. Yeah.
Wala nga
Duwa
isuda
kaila.
kat adada before the election
Mm.
nga kuan ni Mayor Abalos Idi. The
Mm.
mayor, 'cause they were from the private sector.
Private sector.
Pala kajay isuda kani late Dr. Kating
Mm.
kajay. Kani Mrs. Gakad. So,
So you
kala nga appointed na Idi.
ay
Idi
appointed.
kala ka kasi Idi
So you ran as a mayor thinking na yung 6 na kalaban mo puro lalaki
Puro
in
lalaki.
a men-dominated field.
Ano.
You're so brave.
Ay, wala tayo, matapang ka talaga.
Your so it's like yung principal ninyo ang nag-push
Yes,
talaga
oo.
talaga
Kung
sa inyo.
nakakapainyangit mangyayari iti munisipyo. So, ano
Mm.
na-observe ko when I was a
Mm.
councilor.
Mm.
So, idi ko na yan, ti candidates for mayor, dagitada. So, I thought of na adamon nang i-push kanya.
Oo.
Sige ta, ti nakita na hangin mayak. Ano, all of those. So, we were not in good terms with ni Pawid Paidi
Yeah.
actually,
Okay.
because adumot at na ganan, I stood by my principles.
Yeah.
So, dagita damot ti kanya-kanyang barkada, kanya-kanyang but I did my work as a councilor.
Mhm.
So, dijay, when I was a councilor, hangkunay nga na-enjoy because diyan nga ron, I was at with
Always,
odds with
odds with
some
them.
of the
Yeah.
councilors kandiya.
Parang you're against the wind.
When I stood my ground. Even when I became mayor, but I really stood my ground. So I was suspended for 3 months. You know what my experience as mayor?
What? Wait, was that the first time that became a mayor? 1980?
No, the late AJ 205.
I see.
Those
Had to
years
figure.
as giant.
So your
Because I
first
stood my ground, mat nga kunakkat at adati aga pa remember yung Shell, sa munisipyo,
Shell.
gasoline station?
Oh yeah, wala na yata ngayon.
Wala na ngayon eh. Nag-expire di kontrata da.
Mm.
I was against that because zoning ordinance may di nga area kat institutional zone.
Institutional. So
When
it's not for
nga for business or that. So na-pressure ak pa iji Malacanang that was chorus time idi.
Yeah.
So I stood my ground the late Senator Shahani, Edna, iton mo ti business permit. And then I didn't allow my engineer to issue a building permit.
So the
Because
owner, the owners
we
really
have
has
I'm implementing a zoning ordinance.
Yes.
Kunakmot so dagito na nag-apply taga Pangasinan da.
Mm-mm.
So siyempre Pangasinan ko na kita da. Ni Orbo City as executive secretary ni Cory, ti Telegram, hindi ka tampay ulit yung cellphone.
Yes. I remember the last trace of Telegram before.
Dagito da. Telegram da, itad mo, tikwan, no? So they found a way nga mangkita nga to against me. Nga kung ada kano gasulinaan mi dito, when in fact, bagyo ti ada di gasulinaan mi. So diyay na amom idi ti corruption, idi ti ombudsman mo ta. So diyay,
You're
corrupt
you're a
practices.
woman in a game like that. I'm just wondering how you survived it.
I survived it, no? And 3 months suspension.
You had a 3-month suspension.
Yeah.
What was the basis?
Preventive suspension, kanwata mo for investigation.
Oh, I see.
But they still called me, because I was working DJ ko idi DJ hospital idi pa gayam idi na iragrugi. And then adagi projects nga adagi scholarship ko DJ Singapore, USAID, kunak USAID, I cannot go because I'm suspended. No, you can go. You're still the mayor.
Yeah.
So, orin na suspended. Tsokolate paparyaneda nga
Oh, I see.
magdibripen magdagiyay da projects ba't nga
Just clarify this, ma'am.
superintended,
When you are suspended, you will not receive a salary, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. But still, you are
yes,
working as a mayor.
so na-withhold amin na dagida. So I have to
My
ask
God.
permission,
Oh,
manan,
oo,
permit
oo.
for me to travel, all
Oh,
those
God.
requirements nga naganan. So, talaga ano ti cases against me talaga.
Oh, my God.
Naisandigan bayan nak nga road.
Mm-mm.
Because of the nga road hangko intulok, hangko inikan. Now it was the vice mayor idikat ni Pangwan. Isu na
The late
tinangted.
Mr.
Because he was my vice mayor idi.
Ah.
So isu na tinangted ti permit. Isu na itakder di kwan.
See, I
Na
thought
itakder di
so
Shell station.
you really stood by your principle.
Yeah, I said by my kawan. Ano ti cases kam nakita ko. Fiscal di jabot wakat.
Ah.
Shucks ti kaso na. The vegetable traders. So, nagpa-file dati ko apay nga in-stop ko di jay daganan because of the road construction.
Okay.
Nag-file naman ti kaso, di transportation goods.
Wow.
Atit ko naman yung fiscal. Mayat nga doon nag-itadat at means nga kada tiraramid
So you ended your
already
term.
liquor ordinance me.
Yeah, that was in
Indarumdak
2013
ni
also.
Jamaysa. Dati bar na ijay. Ba't na-dismiss mo dami, no?
Yeah.
Ngam niya about the Shell, siyempre malakas na yung Malacanang.
Yeah, that was the biggest because biruin mo pati Malacanang nakikialam na. Wow.
Yes, hindi ko lang i-define Malacanang. So, sino timang laban kanya? Sige, let's face it.
That is
Mga squatters, Peripin mo, mga pangkusap sa batan, nga pandaag, ito ta binabayandan. Iso nga, kung mapiripin ba ito, open space
open
niya.
space. What was the reason that open space yun sa
Meaning to say nga, awanti ag,
Awanti ag balay
it's ti kunakmut ijay ko. Ta ada ti owners ijay.
Oh.
Dagida, mabalik residential, haling mabalik, kakasjay, no? Yung kita yung itatan. Hindi awana kun they allowed everything.
When we were young, bayabas ti an meeting ngay makikita mi dagiti na Carabao si nga.
Well, nakuha papanak because ni Kapitan naganan ni Kuedi Kat ko ngay hanan na kaya tayo sa kapital idi. So in refer na kanyak di ay. So di ay isindicate. Iyada. Naganan. Apang po kan isudad apanda.
So your first term as a mayor, your first time to become a mayor started in 1988 until
1998.
90 until 1998.
3 terms.
3 terms. Wow.
So 3 terms in lipas ko 3 terms ko. 1988 to 1998. And then I ran as vice governor idi 2021 ay 201 to 204.
As a governor.
As the vice.
As the vice governor. And then
nagtarayak idi after my 1998 nag-end term ko 3 terms. Nagtarayak nga against ni Molindas as governor naabak tayo because talaga money. Because money.
Oh, yeah. That's how it works.
So, DJ, di 2001 matan, inaladak nga.
Vice governor.
Yung vice governor ta, baka ko na nga agtarayak man. Because hanmat unang nga dakot the difference me.
Oh.
Because they had the money, no? So
they parang kinuha ka na lang nila.
And then I came back the 2013.
Yeah. I was thinking, I was trying to research sa internet, pero problema wala. Kaya sometimes kailangan sa library na lang mag-research. I was looking for kung sino yung mga first na, but I think you can confirm that you're the first lady mayor of La Trinidad. And then, for Benguet, I think you are also the first
vice governor
na babae. And then, pumangalawa si Apo, the late Florence Tingbawan.
When?
Yeah, she's the second.
When? Isu na. But I've been active in NGO.
Yeah.
When I was not an official, isu nga adak manipod idikat I was a member of the RDC. The already mayor under the law gamin the members the Regional Development Council niya, TICAR,
Yeah.
the mayors, the capital town.
Mm.
So I was the mayor of Latundad, idi.
Yeah.
So that's how I started as a member.
Member of the RDC,
Mandatory
Development Council.
diya. But now I'm a member of the RDC as a private, representing the private sector na I co-chair.
Yeah.
I'm the co-chair.
So, as a vice governor noon, ano yung parang nakita natin na, and then, yung mga parang naiambag natin in the development?
You know what, Adumata, because I was a member of the Avansi Pinay, women's
Yeah.
group diyan niya, nga dati representative me niya. Kat adumat atin naalak nga for infra, for livelihood.
Livelihoods.
So, di mata, and then I initiate, adang gayim ko gamin ni naganan, ni Yusek iti finance idi, babae. Ni Nine. Kat aday program na sinerhiya on books, education, on education. So, kung anak kanyak, I have an extra money kung anak kanyak, iti Vice Governor Nora. If you would like to go, you avail of it. So, I availed of it. Since it's education, in kwakmat akong da nilate ko idi, iti ko ti Benguet, idi, binayan, idi, no. So they took charge of that, but I was able to
You
get
don't know who initiated.
the pundo
Yeah.
for the a program, a project na on reading the modules on math, kakadangay, basta jay. So that was the kalwat amount ini mga dollars diya iti. So I got also projects being a legislator, adumot adagay na ganan na naiitod ko na ganan. And I improved the system the legislative body, no. So muna nga kakot, pati records, pati kwan, and during the time ko, during the ni San Roque naman,
Yeah. San
the
Roque.
president ni Ramos ini.
Yeah.
Kat no kat ayab-ayabandak mo't ay jay kan sitag protest, and then in request ko ti NPCD nga kitak ma di area. So nag-helicopter kami. I would like to see the development jay. No umay ni Ramos mo't gabin ayabandak kami ayabandak to go to San Roque, di pa lang na fill upan. And then I was able to get pay akit diti ko idi from NPC DJ ngay for the development of the SDPP da. Yung Ancestral Domain Development, Sustainable Development Plan da. Atjay. So, imbis nga 7 lang na-include, na panak di NPC, you include all the 13 municipalities. Iso nga tayo ano basta no aday even jay ka that hospital sa kinangi pa dagita da. Ano dagi the vehicles, the Highland Integrated in Mayorat dagita da kay because they saw my administration, and they trusted me. Isong kay tanga iditi jay ka, isong adot na alak the first garbage trucks.
Yeah.
I want the garbage trucks during when I was a councilor. I want the previous administration. I want. It was during my time that we already had a sort solid waste management nga. Dinardalusan minti Balili River ta talaga nga naitambak ti basura amin. So kasi I'm going to write my memo
Yeah.
siya kamin, I do not diyan agpa-publish. Hanak na nga nagdahan akala niya na mga photo of the kalakas jay, no. But me no, hanak na even ang nakikita yung nagan ko nga initiated by Mayor Tabanda, even donations ko do not put my name ko na diyan.
Especially so nung bumalik kayo nung 2013.
Well, isa din nagsubli, pinasubli na nga dyan tao.
Yeah.
So DJ, I worked on the overpass marami dyan nga idi Mayor and DJ hanbag nga final-follow up the present administration adag dyan RDC final-follow up puti ko idarum ko yun idi Mayor in Rugidan adag posposten no. And now I followed up or else kung nakita niya dyan DPDR agdarum ko ti complaint niya 10 years dahil
Yeah, 10 years ma'am.
Because of
right.
corrupt practices, pabason na di contractor.
You accomplished, when you first sat as executive officer of the town, you accomplished a lot. Then you came to Benguet. You did something also. You did a lot. And then what made you decide to come back in 2013 na parang it's time for me to
Ano mo
relax?
di tatao mo kwan.
Ah,
Kung ano na nakita ko nga
so
there's
people
more that
pushed
can
you
be
really.
done.
I see.
So kung nakaadapan lang ti maaramid.
Mm,
Wala kay
mm. Yeah. You were known in the 2013, the one that
Well,
we're
nagsubli ang
yeah,
kayo.
when you came back there, you were known because of your campaign on the drinking of
Yes,
liquor.
liquor na.
Uh,
The peace and order.
eh, eh,
Right, lada.
yeah, so what was the reason for that? Parang what's the antithesis of that guideline or
Because when I was a counselor, yun nga, nakita ko nangatong ti kwan, crime rate.
crime rate?
Crime rate. And ano ti mga ko nga observe ko, giinom da pa iji opisina da. Kasano nga di. And I was the first to establish the office da na separate.
Separate. Yeah,
Yan ay di nagtugaw ni Fong Wan, inalis na, ijeta di gym.
Mm,
Oh,
gym.
kasi, oo. But I was the first to establish iti office ti kwan, iti police tayo. And siya tinangiro yung ano ti ititid ko. Being mga takmat ti biyag ti police or ti soldado because my parents, my brother, my eldest brother, my late manong ko, ni Fred, nga, with the PNP, but he passed away already. Kasi so, and the peace and order, syempre, no, I want the development, I want the peace and order. So nga, nakita ko yung tinindad, that's why I had to be
You're very
strong
strict.
in the implementation of peace and order laws, kakasday. And so nga, create ko pa di women's brigade.
Yeah.
Diyan nga women,
Yeah.
siya pa yung mga ano ka ideal, kadwak isuda.
Yung kinukwento ko kanina sa inyo, ma'am, na nabigla kami, apay nga ti curfew ngayon kat
Parang
sigas ya.
adis ano ti nakikita kayo sulsulina.
Ibang na lang tanyo nga natsamtsambahan na kami, ma'am. But then, yeah.
But then, yeah, you have to, ano, and then, prinsipyo, ang,
Exactly.
inyati gusto,
Yes.
kakajay kuma, amin awan ti corruption. So, kung nakunadang stricto but awan mo ti kunadang nagkurapa.
Yeah. But
Because I'm very important kinyak ti honor
what I see here is you're like, is this your way on the way that you discipline the town? Is this how you discipline your children also at home?
My children, when they were already older, aganan, ay gusto nga na pa nagpolitiko. Kan puro babae yan. And then, okay naman, they're very independent, they're supportive of me. So, they're on their own now, and they were on their own idimat. Agis eskwela da.
But were you strict?
My youngest boy, the only boy, no?
Yeah.
I have 7 children, but only one boy.
One
No?
boy.
But I'm very happy because they're so independent, and they were supportive of me. Even my late husband.
Yeah.
So kasjay, ura pero iti agsakit ko I will take a leave. Just go ahead your work. So it was idimot obligada ka kaya shark ko suda but then they were growing up. Ako na sige mabalisan na sumuro ka tika. Because they were very supportive tungkol sa campaign, no? And I mean, oras siya because my parents idi kat hawamat ti inarami da nga madi. Idi campaign na pa idi kat ito province-wide ura ito Trinidad, no? Kat ko na nitatago nga nagsya tinulungan da kami idi pa. Even the veterans natay tikwan. My father iso tinagwit-witness at makat-pension da iso nga I believe in karma mo.
Yeah. I see.
Kung maybe hanya kanyada but
You receive a good karma because of their actions. Yes.
Because nagsaat ni ama, ni nanang mo, wala naman. Because may nagtutulong naman, ura na ti kwarta, kaduan pa ni mama ka, dagay the widows nga nga pa dyan Manila to work on doors. Malagi po riya. Go to Manila, tumulong isuna ta isuna mga mabain niya
Oo,
talaga
oo.
mo't nga na tumulong agad, tumulong latan
Yeah.
na kadwaan na dagiti widows nga apan na i-wo-work out ti documents nga masapul. Isu nga adu dagiti nagpen-pensyon mo ton ang nag affidavit ni my late idi father.
Nandun na sa
He joined the death march idi.
Oh,
When
I see. So he's a
he was a veteran nga talaga.
Mabuti naman nakatakas sila, ano?
He died young 54 years old na idi. Ada di St. Louis di as the
So, yeah.
commandant.
Commandant.
Kat second term na kumadi jay nga ta in-retain ni Bishop Broshuba isuna. Tamayat mo ta aramid na jay, the work na. So he died during his second term na in-retain ni Bishop Broshuba di St. Louis.
Your story of your parents helping like that a lot, that it's no wonder why nung nakita niyo yung accident na yun, talagang tumigil kayo na pumunta.
When
Kasi
hanak ko
nandun na
naman
sa inyo,
because
ano?
ko
You were
nahangan ko
taught.
yung tuloy so nga diyan ko na siguro plano mo't ni Apo Diyos dayto yun na ako nakot
Yeah.
I still believe in God's plan garo
Yes,
do.
yes. God's
Inyati parang because kita nyo kadi I lost no I've been losing niya.
Yeah.
But then adalatan nga yung oportunidad
Yes, yes.
nga dati aramid kada you see.
Yeah.
So that's how it is. That's how iso ko rin ko plano ni Apo Diyos dati so inyati mangyari kanya I accept it. Taura siya edi when I was running niya hangkumot nga di ko na nga ang gastusa kalakajay ta awabot uy that really what is necessary dayta adu pati da dismaya kanya because adu ti dawatan da kanya ket kunang ket I cannot give you
Yeah.
this. So apan da sa balid no. A religious pastor pa bay sa pa din. Dawat ti silyasi nga dakkel.
Oo.
Tako na nang katulungan dak. Ay kung mamaitod dayta da kung kunang ket niya. So
Pastor.
so nga diyan, inya lang ti kaya, but diya nga rod, we didn't really use money. Diyan, what the others doing, no?
Yeah.
Kanyaw da, dagita da, 1 truckload of cement.
Nag-uumpisa na ngayon actually, ma'am, kasi malapit na naman.
Malapit naman.
Yeah.
So yet marami na, but I don't do that.
Yeah.
Because I can say no, even when I was mayor. But kung I can, nagana, or ti relatives ko, kung ay, kabalin ang, kunak mo tiya. So madismayada mo ta, kunak mano, adaka di ka, tumulong ay hanaan ka, babayin, tauran no, they have the right niya.
Yeah.
Kalakakadjay, kunak haanan, hanyong, niya, biyangan bagita niya,
Right.
adaman niya, kung adan tumanon nga, i-appoint ko, or ikang kayo ti pabor, nga nagita da nga relatives ko, ta kayo ti ayo, tone down, be at,
Yeah. Nice. So,
Nakita da ti kwakta adiya ata and then my trainings ano adal ko. I went to school, I took up law. While
did you practice? Did you practice?
Hana, I did not pass the bar. That was 1986. Adang yung OIC di nga.
Yeah.
I thought nga masok katana.
Okay.
So, I've been taking nagsiskwalak ti law. So, diyan, revolution, narugat ko na, ay baka maikatak. Because ada lagi OIC, remember that?
Yeah.
Kunak, nagpakadak kini Dean Rondes ini. Sir, may I just go and take the bar because I might be removed. Kunak ijay. So, I was not really prepared for, baka lang ngayon napanak lang to help me as an executive.
Yeah.
Inyaman tilin din to, kakajay.
Yeah.
Which helped me.
Yeah. It's a good.
During my kota, ibagak mo amok mo day about
Yes.
inyang law, wala pa dyan, or procedures, dada. So diyan nilipas ko, but I passed all my subjects actually. It's just it was one of the hardest
Yeah.
nga bar di dyan 1986 nga revolution data because I was taking my review sa Manila.
Yeah.
San Beda. Diyan nga asilig the bridge. Ay makan-cancel idi ati na ganan ti review because dagita nga rallies Minjola Bridge. Dagita da. So di dyan at least na ipas ko ang aming subjects ko actually It was the average ko lang. Imbabada pa
I see.
iti kwagayam dagiti grades. Ta ni Abalos ni Mayor former Mayor classmate kami, nabagsak kami nga duwa
Yeah,
ngam isuna retake ngam siya
nag-retake.
I ran as mayor.
You run as a mayor. But
Kalangan
then it's like
mm.
equipping your foundation eh. If you're in
Yeah.
that high position in the town, talagang you also need that whether you pass it or not.
Kaya kas palagan di ay naganan. I finished my commerce, no?
Yes, yes.
I finished my commerce. Hanak man there's so ija business, family business ti multulungan.
Yeah. Still practiced in the family business.
So yeah, I'm not involved with the business actually. So DJ, my commerce, and then I took my masteral business ad, and then the MDM EJUC. Isang adto nga iti ko, I was for 5 years I was a consultant, senior consultant to UC. I took care of their community extension program.
Yeah.
So dagay nga oray na awanak, adagi opportunities nga.
Yeah.
So I was
To serve the
adak
public.
UCT for 5 years,
Wow.
working on on their community extension program.
Mm.
So ado dagida and my NGO network.
Yeah.
Kasta. So ado dagida experience kun ang that contributed to my knowledge of many things. And then as a mayor, you are the implementer of environmental programs. Social, health. Am amin ay agriculture, bagim amin ti mayors dagitada. Akasyat I've been training. Because I always see to it that the invitation ko for training, apan because kunak, that's where we get we learn many things,
Yes.
no? My principle ita, when I was went to government is that I would be giving injustice to my people if iti siyakat mayor kat nga knowledgeable.
Yes. Exactly.
Isang kunak, ija nga RDC. I am sharing my experiences. Kaya kumot kay lastog ko kahit mga ibaga nga ito kama kayat lang kala ilastog. But with my my credentials, handa man nga mo dagi ko all my adat timang alak niya ti ko agad agadugayin na tayo abroad and local man, national man, and abroad nagado ti all sponsored for. Nag-establish kami ti sisterhood in Japan. In Guam. In Thailand. No? US ko bang natay kami dyan mayor idi and I was not able to follow up ngayon kasi idi. So ado dagi ida mano ti sisterhood nagkuha nga dagiti da kakadwa even if we did not belong to the same party niya dagi sanggunian ko hangko nga kapartido dagi ida.
But then you work is one.
But I mean kunak hangko pinuliti ko. Isang ay bakisuda sino ti si sinublat niya especially yung vice mayors ko iti and then kunak pa awan pitag thank you kuan kalati ko na hanmat nga andamot nga diya kala it's not their what do you call it tanang pinuliti ko hako kumayayaman isuda
Sa ibang partido ba?
na makikuyo kanya kung that invitation abroad so diya ati I never made it political di dadumang ko tako na kasi umay kayo.
So it really suits you yung title niyo.
Ado the advantages nga na ito ko nga agunggun udda. You see? So diya ako na kung kasi but awan mo ti mangibaga pa thank you. Ado pa di hada nga bigbigan nga trabaho diya. You see? Yeah, when they come up with mga reports or what, kakasjay they don't want to kaslang nga emphasize niya i-showcase mo no niya ti talaga mo nga inararami ko but hada nga highlight no inya mo ti isong apay niya ti history na daytoy apay nga why don't you not consult me tam ibagat ti usto.
Yes.
So wrong na dumati ibagbagada even celebrations iti naganan dayta park ka dinadaal dangay. Look at the park now. Kasi tinang establish na so ibagbagada nga Tabanda Park.
Tabanda Park, yeah.
But kung nakata sa official
What was supposed to be the official name of the park?
That municipal park,
I see. Lavender
diyan in
Park.
front nga
Yes, yes.
nagpangit itatan inya, that
Oo.
should be a garden park.
Ah,
Hindi sumarsaro naman dagituyan ang kwat apo, dinadadaldamot amin nga kwat.
aside
So
from
anyway, uh, this is a conversation, ibagbag mo, what's the
ah,
truth? Because you are asking me some
yes,
questions
yes,
nga,
yes, yes.
I have to tell the truth.
Nothing is nothing is hidden here. And like I said before,
Well,
this is gonna be your memoir, boss. A part of it.
talaga nga, they called me the mayor with balls, kagadagay.
Common with balls, yeah.
The mayor with the
Love me,
iron
please.
hand, kanang
Iron Lady.
Iron Lady,
Yeah.
kung kunada ijay.
But I like one moniker that they used to you, Ina Tiumili.
Yeah,
Like that. I like
Inati
that. Yeah.
Umili, yeah, that was naiisudamot din ng, I mean, that was by Kwan Idi eh, when I was in the campaign ng Idi.
Mhm. I like it because listening to your stories, it's like you run it motherly.
Oh,
You run that
han
motherly.
isungarol ganyak, ijay ako na dang stick to because ada jay instinct as a mother.
Mm-mm.
I ruled the municipio as a mother, so I
Yeah.
get angry no mas no nalpas na ganyan. But iso ka diyan mo lang nga employees nagre-retire damot dan. They saw, they also kunadamot lang aduna adan mi,
Mm.
the discipline.
Yes.
Adu tina-dismiss ko pa yang corrupt practices da.
Mm-mm.
But I did not file a case against them.
Mm.
Mawarning da, aramid da pa lang. So I told them to be more compassionate as a mother, kasi I take also the consideration what will happen to them if I'll be filing a criminal and
Yeah.
administrative case
Case.
yada. So ada dyan may isa nga kung kakalangan a voluntary resignation ka so that you can avail of all your benefits.
Yes.
And then hang ka pa yung maibabain. Oro siya mo akat niya nga dyan anak na eh. Oh.
Yes.
And then lumabas kid di ka kala siya kayo akin baso nga ni tatang na kat apa na ibaga-baga ay dinismiss ni tawanda takas ay maya ano nga inarami ko dyan dapat kong aramidan. Oh.
That's saving face already, ma'am. They're saving face. Yeah.
Ko di ko nag-file nga as a kagawad ijay barangay na. Oh. You see, no nag-file application kanyan ako awan
It's
niya
disqualified.
ka-employ. Hindi.
As a woman dominating that field, political field na napakaraming lalaki. Aside from yung willpower mo, ano pa yung parang nakikita nyo na attitude nyo? That's why you dominated yung field ng men na yon.
Kasi they saw that amot nakita na nga corrupt practices.
Talagang.
And how I know that with my employees I recommend them abroad. I get them also eh. Kaya ngayon, mga kwa na abroad I see that ngayon I give chances to the heads, the department heads, even the barangay hindi. Minkaw yung ko was it in Guam and even in Japan, no? So adamot ati sige may kalimot like sinublat. Kalakas siya take turns, no? Kalakas siya.
Experiencing.
So that's how I kunang matabay nga siya lang para paspasyal. So kaya hindi ada yung program ang lakbay aral.
Yeah.
So even down to the garbage collector, kudak sige, agtutulog kayo ay yati kayo yung papanan. So ma-schedule da. Even the employees themselves, papapanak ito yung Pilipinas, other places, yun tayo, aglakbay aral. Mano tayo, Dawan apang kami matijay Mindanao dagita gagayem ko mo mayors. I was a national officer gamit the National League of Mayors. No? I was a treasurer idi. So I held a position. So dijay and we had good relationship with the mga mayors mat in the Philippines. Being an officer idi. So amok mat so mayat ti relationship me. And then adu pa ti umay nga aglakbay aral ito to learn what we were doing.
Benchmark na kanya.
When pag-benchmarkan da kakasjay, So it was open nagitada and then I was able to get projects from foreign countries because I had an experience the first term ko nga amudak nga there in national government mayor we have a project for you say kastor Ay, sige, I'm thankful.
Yeah.
And then, himay ti engineer kanyak na iti program mo po kasi ket ko na ket kuamot imbagada mo't nga iremedyo. Tadi nga kat-kat kaya ada ti
Yeah.
kat-kat ijay ket ko na, ay kasta ket nya remedyo adamot kenditan. So from there on I never apan follow up the projects.
Mm.
Nga aramin ti mayors, nga padayay senators, congressmen, kuna, I don't want to be a part of that.
Yeah.
Kitaan tayo how we can raise our own funds, local funds. So nga di jay, chinek mi ti amin apay nga very low to income ti municipio di.
Mm.
Chinek ko gay, adugayam dagihan nga agreement ngayon iya collectors
Oh, yeah.
nga ti business mo. So di ay nagko-act ti task force.
Mm.
Sige, so kita niyo ang aminitan. And I got Logodep ngayon,
Mm.
an NGO helping the government,
I see.
capacity building da. Nagpatulong nga for my administrative code and how to come up with the in revised media tax code me.
Mm.
Municipal, it's a very, very old DJ.
Oo.
So we went into that, all of those, capacity building and everything. Iso nga kaya tapay siya nga mapay-pilot yung munisipyo.
Yeah.
Pisa na public order and public safety plan, o DILG, pinalot at lahat to be applicable in all world, ay niya, countrywide ay niya. So, ado dagi da nga makukuha mapay-pilot.
Mm.
Oo, siya. And then, dyan do mga agencies nga in national, dumot nam amuak.
Oo.
Kanyad na, hindi. So, ang gana itatakot.
Yeah.
Nakuha oo, kilala tayo. Noong meron ka, nag-ano,
Oh,
oo
yeah.
pala, wala na akong malagit ko eh. So, ang gana, iso, adun jay network ak with kagayam ko mga NGOs, Pilipinas, Igorota, ito da, national organization kahit yung women, no, kakasya. So, ado tinak na panak nga maibabaon or on scholarship, dagitada. So, mo adaman yan in store ko dijay. So, masyakmat kat I would like to share. So,
Yes.
parang RDC mat nga, I'm sharing my experiences. And even our meetings, so nakaya kat we are violating many procedures, dijay. So, dijay kanak mapinyada ta kanang ada ti saok kano kasi but I am sharing.
Yeah.
I see what is wrong in government na rin when I was mayor.
Yeah.
I see what was wrong. So nga di kat hanang man apapanyaman nila follow up di ba?
What's good is you're very vocal about it and you really work to change it.
I guess
Yes.
I have to work. That's why nga ron kat I go home late at night. No?
Mm.
Ta agpirmaak, no? Agpirmaak. Tahanang agpirma no ado yay tatao.
I see.
I have to face them.
Mm.
Kasi they don't know na ganan hanak mat maawatan siguro being sick ta kunakmat. Diya ngay ubing
Oh, yeah.
Nya makita isuda diya nga adada diya nga kaskasta, adada diya nga nagana aksasarwada ijay and then you're still giving them kunakmat ijay.
Yeah.
So we are not prohibiting drinking because that's the constitution the ruling during the American time.
Yeah.
Ada banning kasjay. You regulate. That's why we regulate.
Yeah, just to make this clear, you're not prohibiting drinking, you're just regulating it.
When we are
Responsible
kuan nga
drinking.
asma ada curfew nga.
Yeah.
O sige, kayo nga paginom at this time nga da kayo ko to per kayo. Restaurants you can serve food dagitada but not liquor.
Not liquor. Yeah.
Yeah. Kaya ano mo itatama sa ko they were not thankful. Strict ini itatakot dati anak da dati apo da.
Yeah.
Isumot nga road ko na kaya until you will experience, no? Dati anak yun. Kanya ti problema ito, mas karkaro ito tapay, no? Early marriages, nagitada, abortion, early pregnancy, nagitada nga So, inya ti mga the drugs already,
Those problems start in undisciplined partying.
Ket ko na,
Yes.
I would like to, na siya at ti lugar tayo.
Yes.
Tatsakat ina.
Yeah.
I'm a mother ko na. So, kala nga, I govern, nga ka sa family tayo. Kunakmat ijay.
Yeah.
So, Isu nga dijay, inatiili.
Yeah. At that there was this during your time. I just read this a while ago. I don't know if there's some wrong information about this, but correct me if I'm wrong. There was this La Trinidad death on the garbage disposal, and
Ah,
there was this anonymous person
mm.
paid for it. Did you have something to do with that? Is that your
No,
part of your collection?
that was during time.
Oh,
About that one nga, equipment,
oh yeah,
nga
yeah.
there was a case dijay. So after about I sat down,
Mm,
I hamanganak ko rin. It
mm,
did not work
yeah, yeah.
talaga. And there were some, because nag-loan na diya from the cooperative.
Okay, yeah.
So there was a loan, but well, maybe, the transactions, because the treasurer did not even sign a receipt, you know.
Something went wrong with the transaction.
So when I sat down, the Japanese guy came, the ones they negotiated with. No?
Mm,
So I told them the machine didn't work.
mm,
Then they wanted to repair if at our expense.
oh,
But I
I see.
told them, no, I will not. I will not do that. I will not pay you what they did not pay you.
Mm,
Yeah, because the machine did not work.
didn't work.
You see, so yeah, Handamutan, they didn't return anymore. And there
Mm,
was this case between the municipio and the no.
oh, I see.
But the municipality won
Mm, okay.
because it was given directly to the.
Mm,
I really don't want to talk about all of
yeah,
this, but then if you're asking me about this. There was a case, but there's settled that there's no. The bank actually filed a case.
mm, yeah. Let's skip that part, and I want to ask you this. As a leader, ano yung mga parang books? What books do you read about self-help or about leadership na parang nakakatulong sa inyo?
Well, I have a mini library. I will take you upstairs and see because variety,
Ah,
and I like doc, documentaries,
mm,
yeah, about the war, anything.
wars.
And then I got a book about Obama
About,
because I
yeah,
I got interested with him,
the first
and
black president.
yeah,
Yeah.
as the president, no,
No.
I have books of marami, even si Osama, yeah, I see ano, na napatay. I have biographies na rin na
So you read
stories
biographies
na
of
gano'n,
leaders.
oo.
Yeah.
Yung persons I'm interested in,
Mm,
gano'n.
mm,
So, Kennedy,
yeah.
si
Ah, yeah.
Michelle
Michelle
Obama, I
Obama.
have. I will show you later
Mm.
my collections, no? I read novels also. I get ideas from novels actually, eh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yung ano ba,
That's nice.
parent and child reading together. I
Mm-hmm.
got an idea from a novel I read, no?
Oh, yeah.
Na she was not able to read when she was
Mm,
a child.
mm.
Then she became a teacher, and then yan. But I revised it. I made some modification.
Mhm.
No? That so it's mother and child reading together.
Mother.
I started it when I was mayor.
Yeah.
So we piloted S- Central School
Mm.
and Wangal Elementary
Wangal
School.
Elementary School.
And the evaluation was okay
Mm,
because
mm,
it was a partnership with Hope. That is, they
mm,
made modules and
mm.
everything.
Yeah.
And teaching the parents also how to read properly para they can teach
Tama
their
yung tinuturo
children.
nila. Yeah.
And we provide books. Actually,
Oh,
there are
nice.
books that we will be giving to Alapang. And then
Alam
we
mo.
gave them bookshelves
Mm,
so that they will be placed in the library of the school.
I see.
Parang, uh, because we found out that there are many who are not readers. It's a national pala,
It's
national concern, yeah. But I found it out when I was mayor here in La Trinidad, and
yeah.
I read the novel, and I adapted it, but I made some innovations now.
Innovations. Of course. Yeah, to parang adapt the
Oh, yeah.
reality. As a leader, seasoned leader, and you're a successful one at that. what is your advice to women? Because you're also advocating yung
Oh, yeah,
women's right.
that's
You're
right.
supposed, and what's your advice
Gender and
to gender and
development, agad.
development? Yeah. Advice to women aspiring also to lead someday.
Actually, our organization, the Filipina, no, it's a
Mm,
national organization whose members are women leaders talaga. Sila,
mm,
uh, who organized this group pa noon, eh, sila Rina Jimenez David, but she
mm,
passed away.
uh,
Yung columnist ng ano noon, Remy Riken, who
uh,
was the chair of the NLCWF noon, is na PCW
mm,
ngayon. So, iyan, uh, I was a mentee of
mm,
itong people na
oh,
on women's rights,
mm, mm,
Stanyada, on
yeah,
peace, mga ganun ba. So, iyan. And that is the gender and
gender
development
development.
program, no?
Yes.
That we are now again advocating, no? Ano ang role of women and men,
Mm,
ganun ba?
mm,
So, there's the concept already that we are not only talking about the women, but also yung ano ng the men
yeah.
as partners, parang ganun
Mm-hmm.
ba? So, there's a concept of the ano na program na we are promoting,
Mm-hmm.
advocating. But we would like, kami kasi would like to focus on women in politics
Yeah.
because it's still kulang.
Kulang. Yeah. Yeah. You're.
One, because it's still our culture ba?
I see. Yeah.
Kung minsan culture
Culture
natin.
natin.
When we talk about gender development, the culture is still ano na, my role ka as a woman.
Yeah.
Kasi nga yan na yan.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah. Exactly.
So, but now we're breaking the divide there because there are now women who are also now ano. But yun na nga, because of our mindset na parang yung women, they're not capable, parang ganun ba?
Mm.
No? And women also themselves don't support the women.
Yeah.
Because we cannot say that any woman.
Yeah.
Kasi, who are we going to support as a woman leader?
Mm.
Does she have the qualities
Yeah.
of a woman leader?
Mm.
Not.
Mm.
See? So, empowering women na rin eh.
Mm.
Uh, there, yung equality. We're talking about equality. Yeah. Why is it that women only occupy a secretarial job?
Mm.
Oh, in business, for example, meron na, but still,
Yeah.
you still need more women as presidents,
Yes.
as chairperson of
That's right.
cooperatives. No, it's still the men. So the women are given yung treasurer, secretary, mga
Yeah.
ganun lang. So,
Working under men.
yes, oo, parang ganun. So, that's why there are also programs to encourage my program for men eh. Men talking to men about men. Mga ganun ba?
Mm.
Because men also have problems.
Mm.
Physiologically, ganun.
Yeah.
You also cry. O, mga
Yeah.
ganun ba? O, ano lang,
Yeah.
you
Exactly.
don't
Yeah.
get pregnant or you don't have
Yeah.
ito.
But when it comes to
Yeah, mga ganun.
Yeah.
We have differences. Mga ganun. But as far as yung capability
Mm.
or capacity of a woman to lead, nandun. It's just that they're not given the opportunity. Because dito sa atin, in the indigenous communities, my role, a specific role ng
Reserve role.
women, mga ganun, still na para, sorry, ikatabi niya, para luto,
Yeah.
para anak, para haan na ang kasdayan because
Right.
men can cook,
Mhm.
do
Yeah,
chores
yeah.
also,
They
mga
can, yeah.
ganun.
Wash clothes.
Wash
That's what
clothes.
I'm going to do tomorrow, actually.
Ayun,
Ako ang maglalabas.
because also,
Yeah. Yeah.
isa nga dyan, the word overburdened ang
Mm.
men,
Mm.
because they do everything. And if you, economically, if you put a cost there, pagluluto, how much do you pay?
Mm.
Ang cook na you will hire, for example, you see? So they contribute also sa economy.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. But if I am a woman and then I'm aspiring to become a leader, I will ask advice from you.
Political or in an organization.
Let's say in a political or in a political. What can you advise for me? Halimbawa, babae ako. And then,
Study yourself.
mm,
Kaya ko ba?
okay.
Can I tolerate itong can I be forceful?
Right,
Can I really have the capacity and capability
Yeah.
to lead people? Wala naman perfect eh.
Yes.
But at least, that's why we are advocating yung mga leaders as servant leaders. Humility and selflessness.
Yes.
It's not only for your personal interest na you are to run for a governor because of the position, the status,
Yeah.
mga ganon. No eh. Kasi marami rin nag-interpret on servant leadership. They think that marami siyang projects, it's not that. You know? It's being selfless. You don't think of yourself. You
Yeah.
know? What you do is not for your own personal
Yeah.
interest, but to serve.
To serve. Yeah.
To serve, really. You know? You have the passion to serve. You know? And then humility. Be humble about things na adto kita dapat adto example nga in a program the official was late
Mhm.
and then so he was placed in a hangay stage so na-complain ka no paganda ka in the stage
Ay, wow.
you see that's
Self-serving.
self-serving
Yeah.
and that's not being selfless because you
Yes.
don't when you serve you don't think about your personal interest. So you have the passion really to help the people within your capacity and capability then. Because there are limits also. In a business, ganon. So you have limits also. For example, we have so many books about leadership. But ako, I'm a pragmatic leader. And I observe your honesty, not thinking of myself.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Pragmatic.
Always.
Yeah.
Always. So being pragmatic is in a situation, will you apply yung naturo sa inyo na ganito? Because there are different situations and you have to act immediately.
Yes.
You don't have to refer to the book or mga ganon, no?
Yeah.
Or mga procedures, mga ganon, no? So if what you think is which can I apply in this situation? You have to be realistic and practical na rin.
Yeah.
Ako, I can say no to a person. Kung there's a favor that he's asking that I cannot give, na I'll not be giving false hope sa kanya, I will be frank with him. I cannot do this because it will compromise my position. I have my principles.
Yeah.
But if you can, we can recommend you to other. Kasi matibag bagat eh.
Accordingly, saying no is the most difficult.
Yes,
part of the
because
job.
you would like to please everybody.
Yeah.
No, I am not that kind of
Yeah.
person. If you don't like me, so what? It's not my problem.
Oh, yeah. That's
But what I'm doing is what I think is right and for the people. It's
Yes.
service. You see? So you have not seen my name there initiated by Mayor Tabanda or mga ganun. Wala. Because that's not my money. This is one thing I always tell the people. Hantay yung utang na loob, ijay, official ko yun. We voted for them as governor because they have to do what is
The mandate.
the responsibility, duties as governor.
Governor, yeah.
They took their oath.
Yes.
Yahan mo nga, and they have the obligation to look for funds,
Yeah.
to look for any resources na maitid na kung da kayo
Yeah.
for the people,
Yes, yeah.
for the benefit of the people.
Yeah.
Hanyong ko na nga, ay, naitid man ni Governor dayto eh. But that's his job.
Yeah.
Utang mo loob mo because that's people's money. Even my donations, I don't tell them to put my name ijay. No, I don't put my name there. Because kahit kung tumulong nga. If I had the means. Because kanya katuhan, one comes na solicit, na awan ti bulsa, what is in my pocket, isot itod ko.
Yeah.
Hanggang agitod tinagdak ko, hanggang kaya, it's not,
Exactly.
dadumakot I also evaluate, sino ti talaga nga matulungan niya.
I think that's also what is lacking in sa mga kababayan natin, that they see politicians as donors of
Exactly.
everything.
And I don't want that nga, adagay Ilocano, yung saying da nga pagbagasan.
Yeah.
Don't, I would like to show the people nga, siyakathan nga, di ay, ada ka mayor ka, itad,
Yes,
nga ti
yes.
kayat you. Because I have my limitations
Of
also.
course, yeah.
Okay, my sweldo, okay, ada ti umay, dumawa ti donation, and I see to it that nga, inya ti kayak lang nga maitad, iso ti itad ko.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Ta dumapay kat awan ti bulsak, awan ti kwarta ti bulsak, so kung kayo secretary, ay, adaman ti kumdi, itad mo man, ikaman lang, basit, ko.
Oh,
You see that?
pati si secretary na damay.
Sabi ko kaya nga di ako na dapat pagbagasanda.
Yeah.
Well, let's change the mindset of
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
Nga sika nga official ka, sika ti kala ngayon nga mangmangtod aminan, nga for free. So nga ada yung word nga empowering. That's why ko
Empowering.
natin, ada ti livelihood. Sige, I will give you this.
Yes.
So that you'll be empowered to really work,
Yeah.
and not just apang ka lang agdaw-daw-daw-dawat, ang susulisit.
Yeah.
So let's abuse the minds also for our people. So nga do ate ko na nga, imot ti tabanda or what, but so what ko na? That is what I can really give.
Yeah.
I don't please everybody.
That's nice.
I'm not that, you don't like me, it's okay lang with you.
Awan, tinasakit nga bakrang ko.
Yeah. That's what you see is what you get.
Yes, exactly. Right.
Yeah. So it's not so say cannot 500, so they're thinking of the next election.
Speaking of election, do you have plan for this
No.
incoming?
No,
I'm sorry, I just have to
I'm
ask
old
because
already. I'm
yeah.
80 years old.
Yeah.
Let the others, let's give chances to others. But then we see nga that these who are still there, wanting to be also there. They run for this higher position. They let the woman in the lower position. Ti anak daw. Or, they were asking me, okay, inati paano actually ka? Kagahanan ko na. Let's look for people. Matras tayo.
Yeah.
Siyat tayo. Hanggang nilang na ganan, no? Ada yang itid.
Speaking of tao nga matras tayo, we have this situation with our legislator here in the District of Benguet.
Niyap.
Yeah. That people in the Onjon ni Ivadoy, there are like some people are saying na parang napopoliticize because they're trying to adapt him. What is your view on that? Parang personal view.
Kinyakmat, they're independent people. That's an organization. They have all the right what they would like to do, no?
Yes.
But then, adaman ti kalaban na nga taga dito
Yeah.
Nga ibaloy mo.
Oh, yeah.
See?
That's why.
So, kunami, is there something apay nga adapan da? Dapat da right mo inyat ni sino ti kayat da. But then, awang ata ijay panunot da nga adati
Kanya.
sat da, kailan nga adamot kita. Nga makita tayo nga matulungan. Gusto samot ti kuana, ti paglakad na.
Oh, yeah.
No? So, why adapt, no? Taknyak mat niya, kunak tanda tago, yata tao da, let's not be, hantay agad.
Yeah.
Hantay agad atak. In hanyong ibagbaga nga, insik, because that's discrimination.
Yes, exactly.
Hantay nga, kita anda kita da. Because, inya nga binutos mo.
Yeah. Yes.
Binutos mo ti tattao. So, ado matagay ibagbaga nga negative about him, no?
Yeah.
But let's give you the benefit of the doubt. Hantay mo ti amo, no? Inyaman kinagana, pagpaisuba, dagay ibagbagada, kunyana. Kanya, let's just be objective, basta kuna hantay agad ang topic. Inyati plataforma yun lang. Inyati kunayang aramidin nyo.
Yes.
Wait, jay.
That's clean politics.
Yeah. Well, kajay plataforma lang. Then, bother nga apan nyo alala na kita da. No way, it will turn out kahanggang magpaiso.
I think that's the reason why he won the first time, right? because parang mali yung ano ng kalaban niya nung una eh. Yeah,
di nga ron.
yeah. Or they're attacking the personality.
Siya kan ano, tinubadanon. Para kat let's
Yeah.
just give him the
That's the
benefit of
benefit
the
of the
doubt.
doubt.
Na inyaman is the people's choice.
Yes.
Kat ibagada kat adamat ti tinang kalsada.
Mm.
Isu na lang ti may nakadanon dito eh. Di pa ti bagbaga na.
Yeah, that's my parang nakita ko rin I just don't know pero parang dun sa dong part ng Kibungan na yun.
Ay jay, takadang.
Takadang na parang mahirap. He was able to, and that's, I think, kudos to him.
Hindi man
Yeah.
Ngam dagitoy da nga road, kunakmat. Siyempre, yapas nga leaders tayo within their capacity.
Yeah, right.
Oo.
Tama.
Were they able to get more funds?
Yes.
Talagas jay. Kat the explanation ni Yap, actually, na kasaok mat isuna niya. So, we raised all of this. Adamat explain na. Explain na kasjay. Because he's with Duterte.
Yes, true that. Yeah.
Anak na kat
Kapit siya
congressman, amin. So, in the political arena gamin, you can get more funds. Tata. So, sinuporta. Just like now,
Yeah.
nga aduligay dadakkel nga apa yung dadakkel ti kini Baste.
Yes.
Ni Pulong. Yeah. So, it's just how they spend the money, di ba? So, definitely, ikan na ati dakkel dagitada, supporter na mo.
Kung sino ang mas malapit sa dalikan.
Yan, malapit sa dalikan. He was the chair of the committee on appropriations. And kanyak matipagkita ka ba, there'll be horse trading gamit ti Congress. You see?
Right.
So, can you, as the appropriations one, so they also horse deal with the other congressmen, mga kakasday. So, alam mo, nagtitinulong da. And already previous nga kwan, actually, that's the dynamics in politics. In kwan. So, no makaala ka dyan because you're close to the president, it's how you will use it. That's being questioned by kunda nagdadakol niya ni Sara, nagdadakol ti agon na kakasjay niya. Because that was under the Duterte administration. You see. So the question is, how did you spend it? Because that's public funds.
Right. How did you spend it?
So, dagijay mat, which is, I would say, bindan mat Paskwa, that's, kalang tradition lang dagitadan eh.
This is very difficult to break.
When? It's done na eh. Kala it's a tradition also nga ada ti kati agencies of government, so adulat ti makita tayo haan nga mayat ko ba nga sistema niya. So da dumapay kat dapat dagita da mayat idi mo madam makat he succumbed to the system.
Yeah, it was eaten by the system. Yes, exactly.
So anyway, diya ti ibagbagada kat kanya na basta kung hang kayo ang inatake.
Yan.
That's right. Basta plataforma.
Stick to
we are peaceful.
Yeah. Well, going back locally, ma'am, what do you think, as an observer, private citizen of this town, what do you think should be done more for La Trinidad to become, better and more improved town?
It all depends on the voters. Na mga personal kabagyak adat United na pimang kunya.
Yeah.
Just like what yung bagada kiniyap. Inyag na mat piman ti
Kastaya.
Ko dito kung nada jay. Kat diyan kala utang na loob. When in fact it's a job of the squad. Ado tinaalala na idi ay itata because under Duterte, well, that's it.
Yeah.
Oo. Tano diya congressman tayo idi, they were not able to get more niya. Yung adamot na aramid na.
Yeah.
Kala lang nga, okay, no inyapat yan kung mga nalpas, ti hantay nga naaramid, i-continue diya sumublat.
Just they use
But hantay nga ibaga nga awan ti inararamid,
they did something within their
within
capability.
when kasyemot tagayda kwa because I saw kusalan sino pa tagayda bangwad tagitada. So I was there. I saw
Yeah.
matiman itada nga kurang-kurang ti pundo-pundo iti
Mm.
na ganan. So nagitada it's the political dynamics nagitada nga it's still up to the people no sino kumati ibutos da nga sto. Ado professionals tayo. Namhada nga tumara et awa mong kwartada. Bigla tatakot kwarta kwarta.
Money
And
wise.
you don't have money, why do you run?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Pagas dya, So that's the reality. Sika agtaray ka nga apan kwarta nga di the head of your group kada kwarta na. So ado mo tapan
Go ahead. Your view on our autonomy that we are clamoring since 1987. I am 34 years old now. 30.
Been there since the beginning.
Yeah.
Oo.
Do you think we can attain that one?
No, I believe that it takes process nga talaga, no?
Mhm.
Because idi na-reject diya duwa. I was there.
Yes.
No, because ado diya nga the first proposed organic at na-reject, no? Specialty Benguet because of the provisions. They always equated it with Paluet.
Oh,
And then the peacekeeping forces CPLA kung ano
CPLA,
yan.
yeah.
Kung the leaders tayo ti Benguet idikat da palispis, dagita da nga da mo ha. And inya ti bagad ba because kurang ti information dissemination.
Information.
That's what I observed. And then misinformation, disinformation, ado no inya ti baga ni no handa na awatan about the autonomy kat a campaign against. Palispis campaign against. Damo campaign against. Because awan, mataksan amin dagitada. I was there because I belong to the kwa. I was a neophyte mat idi Cordillera Broad Coalition da kami kanakusalan. Da Juan Ngalob, Bridget Hamada, ni late nga ni naganan ni Janatayan Piman Yung tao da balog dita. And when I was mayor, I had a close and conversation with Balwag when he surrendered.
Yeah.
Ado nga ti CPLA di nga mambut-butong ti tagawangal idi. Tada dyan, no? So napangkuhin ko with Colonel Akop, hindi nga host the director ti kwa.
Ay, was that yung parang case na pupunta sila sa isang area and then
When, ada yan, kat
declaim the
mabutong
area?
ti tao ta, CPLA, kat talagang
Tama
questionable. So napanak, kay Cordillera House, idi nag-surrender. Kat imbaga ko dyan na ni mabut-butong ti tao, apay nga dadagit pida ijay. And then apay iya gamin ti kwam, ti kayat mo maaramid iti Cordillera. You know, in Ruan Rijay ko, Rijay map ti Cordillera. Because diyan nga idi nga so nag-rebel di at Ande Marcos idi nga about the
Selfie.
Selfie ijay Jabra. Kalang ada di operasyon mo yung dagitada idi during the martial law time dagitada. So, in-explain na amin dagitada na binilib ko mo ta vision ng mga development. Kanang may development kung kunana. That's why I supported him and then nagayum kami na inanak ko pa ti bunyag di anak na ni first child da. So kadi jay I was supportive of him no nga di ada magam ti vision na. Now idi ngayon natay nag-split da ni Mayled ada ti grupo-grupo dan ada dagitadan so ngayon kalangay nadadao but then I was the co-chair the committee on DevAd Development Administration RDCED because mandatory nga I was the co-chair during Alub's time the director naturog dita naturog and then we revive it RDC during the time of Ngalub So diyan nag-start. So ano diyan na propose ko nga na may amendar. Now the status now is that diyan talo nga secretaries budget, um, finance, and then NEDA.
Mhm.
Ada di position paper na nga they look into the financial aspect
Of the
of
autonomy.
the Organic Act, the
Yeah.
3267,
Okay.
yeah, House Bill proposed bill. Ada di Congress, no?
Mm.
So di jay di matla awa mat imbaga da they're against
Mm.
regional autonomy, no?
Mm, mm.
But di nga di ko look into this ko na. Isong ada ti technical working group nga in creating NEDA. I'm a member of that. Kana da members mat nga kwan. To look into that tapno ma-answeran da di jay. That's why you're going to review 3267 pala. Kasjay.
I see.
Oo. So yay so awan pa una ti easy on the 3267 ano ti
There's still
proposed an
studies
amendment,
being
ma-review pa.
On
This
the
is headed by Attorney
economic section ano, yung nire-review?
When yay kwan. And then we have to study pa dyan mga provisions
Okay.
na niya ti yun. So di ti status na ito 3267 the bill.
Is it ano pa yung parang guidelines? But then, kasi sabi nila parang, hindi ko alam, I'm not sure, pero kapag tatlong plebiscite daw, and then natalo yung pag no lahat.
Hamat because ada niya yung kwan ni-revive na-revive
Okay. Yeah.
because ada niya constitution mo
Yes, that
that
we should
establishment
have,
the Barmite and then in Muslim Mindanao and then in the Cordillera region. So it's in the constitution. So dijay according to information nga kakasde kalang nung idinapanmat ni Marcos ijay papayaw. Yan napanana lately. Kat kuna na kanamot kini Governor Bulot nga tingnan natin kung kuna namot kano pwede kat ni Executive Secretary na ni Barnos ay ni Barnos yeah. Ay yan na ganan Bersamin kalanga against kalakasday. And then adamatan jay latest nga position paper ti kon talong nga secretaries.
Yeah.
So it's still going into review process pala.
Hoping that
Kasi that's the status now.
we're hoping that you who are there in the forefront fighting for it will see that it will happen successfully.
Because I am really for autonomy. Autonomy. That's why we have to review also the structure and everything, the financial mga amit, no. So okay matayo congressman tayo.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of ipakaamuti sa tao, consultation, no.
Mas
But
madali.
we have to kan muna because they will also be asking inya di 3267 the proposed nga ada ja Congress. So nga hantay pa pagsasaritaan di bill because ma-review pa.
Yeah. You mentioned the Balwag a while ago. In your observation during your encounter with him, what was he like as a leader?
He has the charisma and he has the mamati mat. Ada ja trust and confidence mat. The katapi mana was NPA, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo. So di ada ja peace pact. So being a priest, former priest niya, maybe nakita damot adi ja values na, no? Apay nga kundi isa na mo ti nangilid with others to struggle, no? Nga apay nga kasulti rami ng gobyerno.
Yes.
So no, awan isuna piman and the others, but I still believe awan isuna han awan like to autonomy because ti may nga dawat na kad autonomy, regional autonomy for
Cordillera.
better progress kakasjay, no. Taag progreso tayo mat and we are mostly dito indigenous communities tayo.
Yeah.
And we have our own culture, our identity, kakasjay mo ito na. The indigenous people gaming kat one of the sectors nga marginalized. Yeah. But we are happy here in the Philippines because ada di IPRA tayo. Ada di IPRA.
Yeah.
And then ado pa tila do mga laws recognizing the rights of the indigenous people. or the other marginalized sectors, the women, the PWDs, kakasjay niya. So, dijay, ti masapran kita antay mo, in the bill, are we responding to inya dagay problema tayo toy? Are we really that united?
Yeah. Right.
Kasjay. Tada pala mo dyan dadong mga they would like
That's a good question.
federalism. They would like na adamat ti kayat na isubli dyan si EBED.
Yeah, that's right.
CRA.
Yeah.
So, ay na nga ti pagmaymaysaan, di ta, no, adapat lang dagita grupo-grupo nga would like to have another kind. Yeah.
It's a very simple question. Are we really that reunited? But we really cannot tell the answer. If,
And iso nga ron nga, it's still the people nga
Yeah.
kita antayo. Because iti ibagbagak matkat, we are now multicultural.
right, right.
We are now multicultural, intermarriages, ada ti Tagalog bituyen.
Yes.
I was the one who kon nga jay celebration day ti 37th month Cordillera celebration.
Mm-mm.
Multiculturalism towards regional autonomy and
Oh,
development.
oh, so
That's
you're
the
the one
theme.
coined that, yeah.
No? Because yet in labang ko. Because kunak, we cannot disregard the fact na adadagita da kay asawa dan. No?
Yes.
Adada dito who are also contributing to development.
Development, right.
And then they will be governed by the bill. No?
exactly.
Kasanan to.
Yes.
Agbutos damat.
Yeah.
Oh. Because yet the definition yet who is a Cordilleran. So it applies also to non-indigenous people. No? And indigenous people. So nga yan, multiculturalism. Nga aminan is not only multiculturalism among indigenous groups niya.
Yeah.
We have the Kangkanayan, we have the Gitada. But also look into the non-indigenous nga dapat nga i-include tayo isuda because sino Chinese ano di nag-introduce the business. Sino dagito the business people nandito dan.
Yeah.
So sino tumulong contributing to the economic development.
Right. Right.
Kasi ano naman kita taganan ito Cordillera.
Small child.
Di anak mo nakiasawa ti Buntok.
Yeah. Yeah.
O nakiasawa ti taga Manila. Kasi Bisaya.
Yes.
So, we say nga multicultural tayo, awanan ti kala discrimination. Nga kalangay exclude tayo isuda. Tano ada ti programa ti government, only indigenous people are there. Who are the non-indigenous people? Dagi civic organizations, women's organization, the farmers organization. Kasi ako man, kunak matitiyada. Multi-sectoral, multicultural, ti kasta tayo. When we advocate for regional autonomy in the context of multiculturalism. Kunak mas kanyada di RDC. Yung sa mga ijay, o the autonomy. I am for autonomy, basta na siya at di paglakad, structure, o man nanti ko ta, kunada man, ang butos mo, sino man dagita naman ibuntok. Ano ko? So, ang halat na dagitata nga, who are more aggressive.
Yeah. No, I think it's high time for people saying that, lalo na dito sa Kabingetan, to come up, move forward also, and to introduce themselves in the limelight. Parang ganun, di ba? So, para tapno awanan yung mga ibagbaga nga, iso naman.
Iso naman din. Because they're more aggressive. Lagi na dumayas ng linguistic group. So,
yeah.
ito bingit mo't gamin katkuan. Handa mo't una nga aggressive.
Babain tayo.
They are
Shy daw, yeah. I have this, I think, I don't know if you can think of an anecdote. You are going hand in hand. Parang kayo ang the ones here in the north of La Trinidad, and then Mayor Domogan at the south, right, at Baguio City. You're like working hand in hand, especially in the what is that, rehabilitation after the earthquake.
Yeah, that's why we had the Bliss.
Yeah.
The Bliss. Kami ti ibo na ijay because EU came in. Actually, the objective na to decongest Baguio kuna na ijay.
Yeah.
Now, ada dito in lakad ni Go, medyo Bliss na.
Yeah, Bliss
Nga
na.
ada ti authority. Kat ko na, I was against that. Talaga. Nga
Parang
apay man ng another level of bureaucracy.
Parang
And then,
MMDA ba yun na?
parang ganun ang ano nila. Ham nga nag-oppose dagito the mayors.
I see.
Oh, so it lapsed into law. Oh. Kat they would like to look for other places pag-developan dati. The schools, housing, and everything. Kat ko na what adamat ti planning ti LGU for their own housing projects.
Yes.
Why will we, na ganan. Apay nga akseptaran tayo di daduma nga umay ditoy.
Kumbaga kung
Nga
may
bakit
apply,
adamot development plan tayo, iti local government unit.
parang i-o-overrule ng
Ay,
BLISDA
hindi,
yung
kalangan
ano.
nga di blista kat isunod kala ag supervisor ka, adamot ti local government units nga,
Yes.
they will hire planners kayo, experts, and adamot ti planning officer iti munisipyo or the
Yes.
city.
Mm.
If you like to help dagitoy dan, you give the money for them
For
to
that.
develop also, if that is the objective of
Mm.
the establishda.
BLISDA, yeah.
Haangkat ag birok da ti lugar nga tapno ijay pangipanan ti housing ti Bagyo kakas jay kaadamot ti housing plan mo ti latria for their
For their
constituents. So,
constituents, yes.
sino ti mamaitata? Ano nga taga dagito? Excuse
I
me.
want you to think, if you can really think of a funny anecdote, tapno mabalusan yun ni Apo Dumugan, de joke lang. Kasi meron siyang kinuwento na funny anecdote about you.
Dating pag-anakan niya about me?
Parang funny anecdote, funny story about nung pumunta daw sila dito with President Ramos. So kinatok daw yung pinto. 4:00 yata yun. And then I think you're still sleeping.
Yeah, I was the mayor. Nakami
Yeah.
kinidumugan.
You were mayor that time. Tamang tukto ko ni ako mayor Edna. Tagko ito si Kol kunang kanon ni President Ramos. Imay da dito itin da hangansang nalasin jay kadwayo ni President Ramos. So nga nakaturog pa iso na, and then pinmanaw da. And then nagsasabat kayo kano jay longlong. And then inbaga mo kano nga ay naladawak mayor tadapay apan ko kinita jay ay naladawak ako president dapay apan ko kinita jay bangir. Oo, napang kami jay balayo tataya ko. Kunang tanong ni President. Bawian natin si Apo Mayor. Baka may funny anecdote kayo rin about Mayor.
Ada di nagnan. When we went abroad, related to the bliss planning. Kat ijay kwa Netherlands. Diyan nga ayan nga dagito da naganan. The cases nga iti babae ba display jay da. Kat kunami kini Mayor Dumugan. Mayor Dumugan. Dahil mo na agpa-shares niya.
Netherlands, yeah, I remember.
Dahil mo ta curious kami.
Baliktad, kayo pa yung
nakita kami kadagidada ng mga mayors. Ibigis, hindi. Bacalso, and Simon din, nilay Simon, Mayor Simon, hindi Sablan, ni ko edi, natay damot ng pima, shock, Bacalso. Kundi dado mga mayors ijay mangaldag. Adamot gamit ti kwada ijay, the same as Bliss niya.
Yeah.
So, dadya kantsa-kantsawan mi kantsa-kantsawan mi but nga ron nga.
Yeah, I heard about that place. Yung talagang
cases nga adating women.
Kinarit yung sunat nagbutan.
Kan mayat ti working relationship mi kini Mayor Dumugan. Because for example, diyan ngay nung ma-break nga ti pispak kalingga kat students dito eh.
Yes.
Okay. Kat naglilumog na. Mabay ko tumadi office diba tati pagpliti da ng agawid na. Jay. Aglilumong. So tingkas tami kanda may diba ijay sa school idi I remember that. Inaiban mi ti some leaders from Kalinga.
Tribal leaders there.
Adan sapay dagida lawyers professionals kan the elders dagida pispak holders man ganon. So ijay malayo po ijay is the school. So we gathered there. You make Baguio City and La Trinidad free.
The dispute of
pit zone. So manipod idi dagita na kat okay. So ado dagida pi man mayat nga pinakasamahan mi na Mayor Dumugan. Basta on leadership, I want perfect, but I still believe in the principle of servant leadership. Don't think of yourself. Alaminim ka para kung ka personal. No. It is for the people. Yeah, that's the way. And I pragmatic leader. So I don't stick to rules. Well, what I see nga mabaling maarami in that situation, so I act on what is appropriate to do in said situation.
Mm.
Yeah. So, Dijay, and I'm not afraid
Yeah.
because I'm fighting for what is
Right.
right, what is good, for our people. So, kadumapay nga ron kat, paano to, kasi lang I've been so engrossed in my work as a mayor na kala nga napabayag pa sa pamilya, something like that
Mm.
ba.
Mm.
But I'm happy nga they
Understand.
understood what I was doing, they were supportive, and they were on their own actually.
Yeah.
So that's what I owe my children,
Mm.
even my late husband. No?
Mm.
So when he was sick, ka nga ron, kung naka-aglibat,
Mm.
take care. So I still have the feeling, guilt nga, why did I not notice? Siguro he died of cancer.
Mm.
Gamit yung nakikita, biglaan
Yeah.
ano,
Yeah. Especially cancer.
cancer
Talagang
eh.
drastic na.
Kagaya man. So, di jay, naganan, ada di guilt feelings sumat, kasi
Yeah.
nabaybayak samot di man nila kayo, or something like that. Yeah.
Understandable.
Because I was so engrossed with my, I always know that the family ko I cannot attend.
Mm-hmm.
So, because of public
Because of
service,
public
I always
service.
thought of the public service.
Yeah.
Ganyan, because di nga, ti panunod, kaslapi man nga second. I place them talang
Mm. Yeah.
second nga masasikaso, something like that. No? But di nga, believe ako diyan nako because they did their own thing. Mayat they're all professionals already. Okay. So, I'm really very thankful to my family,
Yeah. One of the
and
good,
especially my husband also.
one of the good karma that you have received. Yeah. Because maybe because of your good service to the people, ganun din yung blessing sa na hindi pinabayaan ng Lord ang inyong mga
So that the market, I reflect, but that's why I have to be busy and everything. So
Right. Right.
I don't really get depressed and everything. I don't think my husband will also tolerate that nga
Yeah.
I'll be there,
Yeah.
agmukmukmuk or what. So I'm still doing something, what I can contribute in my own small way.
Yeah.
Kasi what can I share nga inya ti amok, nga inadal ko, na experience tayo. So, and siya kami kat, I'm open nga, I speak my mind.
Yeah.
So maybe that's what people also say that very prangko na yung
Prangko
taon
na
ng sabat, no? Parang ganon. But I don't want to be parang plastic ba?
Yes. Yes.
I would like them
That's
to, okay, this is my feeling. No? So if you'll accept, understand me, edi mayat the
Yeah.
relationship
Yeah.
tayo.
Yeah. That's
Because I don't want to, kala you are pretending
right.
to be good and everything, no? When you really don't feel good.
Yeah. Right. Show what you really feel.
Sure, isang ko dagat niya, ipakita ko yung uot ko, but
Yeah.
after dagatawanan.
Tawanan,
Yeah, things like that ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I'm a human being na with also shortcomings, but I do my best just for service. That's my...
One last question. How do you want people to remember you?
Well, kanya what I've been doing, did they feel good? Did I change their mindset? Was I able to, to make a change
Yeah.
in the lives of our people? What I've been doing, do they treasure it? That's why. And not really say that na ganun, awan tinararami ko. Basta I did my best in my capacity and capability. So that's all. It's all for service.
Service.
Okay.
With that, I will really thank you, ma'am, and I hope we can do this again sometime.
Yeah, man. You just call me anywhere or what we can
Yeah.
go.
If you find any inspiration in this, we have done, and you have done your noble part.
El Maestro Speaks Podcast.